Pfizer says its COVID vaccine is safe and effective for children aged 5 to 11. Pfizer and BioNTech say Monday that the company's two-dose COVID-19 vaccine was safe and showed a robust antibody response in children aged 5 to 11. Based on data collected in a trial that included more than 2,000 children, Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech said in a press release that the vaccine was safe, well tolerated, and showed robust neutralizing antibody responses. For this age group, no COVID vaccines have yet been authorized or approved of use in children under 12. The children in the trial were given two smaller doses of vaccine than those given to people 12 and older. According to the release, the company said that it produced antibody response and side effects in children that were comparable to those seen in study of people 16 to 25 who received a full dose of vaccine. More than 400,066 0.5 million COVID vaccine doses has been given in the United States, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. The vaccine developed by Pfizer and BioNTech is one of three in the U.S., along with Moderna two-dose vaccine and Johnson & Johnson single-shot vaccine. Around 12.7 million children under the age of 18 and around 54% of 12 to 17 years old have received at least one dose of COVID vaccine, according to an American Academy of Pediatrics analysis of CDC data of September 15. In August, the Academy recommended again giving the vaccine to children under 12 until it was authorized by the Food and Drug Administration. We intend to submit the data by the end of the month, and then, of course, it will be up to the FDA to review that data to determine whether the vaccine can be released abroad, for broad use. Dr. Bill Goldberg, Pfizer Senior Vice President of Vaccine Clinical Research and Development, as well as pediatricians, told NBC's Today Show, "We hope that will go expeditiously." Pfizer and BioNTech said they will now submit the data from the trial to the FDA for emergency use authorization. They are also testing the vaccine in children under 5 and expect results from that trial by the end of the year. Pfizer first applied for emergency use authorization for its vaccine for adults in November. The FDA granted full approval to the two-dose vaccine in August for those aged 16 and older. It was the first COVID vaccine to pass the final regulatory hurdle. The vaccine is currently given to 12 to 15 years old under the FDA's emergency use authorization. The news comes as COVID cases have surged in the U.S. in recent months. In total, nearly 5.3 million children in the U.S. have tested positive for COVID, or around 15% of all cases as of September 9. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, more than 245,000 cases were added that week alone, the second highest number of children cases recorded in a week since the pandemic began. Concerned with raising cases in children, the head of the academy wrote in August to FDA to work aggressively towards authorizing a COVID vaccine for children under age 12. Johnson & Johnson, Moderna, whose vaccines are used in the U.S., are also researching the effects of the shot in pediatric trials.